Good morning, children. Welcome to today's online class with your EVS teacher Shweta Navghare. Today we are going to learn about very interesting topic, that is about animals. So let's start today's topic, lesson number 6. We care for animals. In this lesson, children, we are going to learn about various domestic animals as well as food they eat and how can we take care of those animals. So children, we keep some animals in our homes or farms because they are very useful to us in many ways. These animals are called domestic animals. We get wool from sheep, honey from honeybees, milk from cow, buffalo and goat, eggs from hen and duck, camels, horse and elephant are used for pulling a cart and carrying load. So children, all these are domestic animals. Now let us learn about animals need food. Like us, animals also need food to live, grow and stay healthy. Some animals work for us. They need energy to work. They get energy from the food they eat. They also need water to drink. Different animals eat different types of food in different ways. Cows, goats, deer, horses, zebra, giraffe eat plants. So they are plant eaters, or we can call them herbivores. Lions, tigers, leopards and eagles eat flesh. They are called flesh eaters. These are flesh eaters animals. We keep pet animals like rabbit and cats in our home. We give them food. We can touch them and play with them. They do not harm us. But wild animals like lions and tigers are harmful. We do not go near them or try to touch them. Can you tell me, children, why? Yes, they might bite or harm us, so that we do not go near them or try to touch them. Now we learn about curd-chewing animals. Cows and buffaloes swallow their food without chewing it. When they relax, they bring the swallowed food back into their mouth from the stomach. They chew the food well and swallow it again. This activity is called chewing the curd. These animals are called curd chewing animals. Understood, children, what is the meaning of curd chewing animals? Some animals like cow, buffalo, camel nibble their food first. When they relax, they bring back part of food from inside and chew it properly. This is called chewing the cud. Let us discuss about pets. We keep some animals in our homes. These animals are called pets. Dogs, cats, rabbits and parrots are some of the pet animals that we keep. They need love, care and gentle handling. Now we will learn about how can we take care of domestic and pet animals. Domestic animals are very useful to us. They help us a lot. So we should take proper care of them. We must give them proper food and clean drinking water. This keeps them fit and active. We also need house to live. The same way We must keep animals in a proper shelter. A shelter protects them from heat, cold, and rain. We should clean their shelter regularly. We must keep our animals clean by giving them a bath regularly. When they fall sick, we must take them to a veterinary doctor. Animals doctor, we call them veterinary doctor. So, when animals fall sick, we must take them to a veterinary doctor. We should be brushed gently to remove the dust and loose fur from their coats. We must play with our pets regularly so that they get enough exercise. Animals cannot tell us about their needs. So, children, we must learn to feel for them. We must be kind to animals. So, take care of animals, take care of your pets. Okay, children, here we have completed the lesson. Read the lesson carefully and understand it, children. Thank you and have a nice day.